Hey, what's going on, guys? Sterling the Investor here. Welcome back to the channel where we discuss everything from business to entrepreneurship, investing, and everything in between. And in today's video, we're going to talk about a stock that I'm pretty interested in. I've actually invested in and has done pretty well for me so far, and it's Nordstrom. So I know what you guys are all thinking. Retail is probably not a good idea right now, but Nordstrom is a little bit different. It's a high-end retailer. They have a full price, and then they also have a discount division. So you have the regular Nordstrom stores that you see in like your higher end malls, and then you have the discount stores, the Nordstrom Rack, which you see in like strip malls, and they're still typically in pretty affluent areas, or at least like upper middle class areas. I love those stores, by the way. So they're, as I said before, they're different from like a J.C. Penney's or like a Sears or something like that, as in they offer top grade A white glove type customer service, in particular in the Nordstrom stores that are located in the high end malls. I mean, you go in there, you can get your clothes tailored. You're gonna get a personal shopper a lot of the times. You need to make a return. It's not many questions asked. They're all about the customer, and they're always putting the customer service first, which is awesome. Another thing is the people that shop at Nordstrom, even with the situation going on right now, can still afford to shop at Nordstrom. It's not like the lower middle class, the lower class, and no knock on those folks, but those are the people that have been affected by this situation with the pandemic the most. The upper middle class and the affluent have not really been affected by this that much. So they can still afford to pay the prices and still afford to shop at places like this. And it's more of an experience. Like you feel different when you go into Nordstrom than when you do in a Macy's or a Dillard's or something like that. And they really, really get it. I remember another YouTuber that I follow, a guy named Alex Costa. He's like a style influencer, and he actually did a clothing kind of like mini line with Nordstrom. Like he did like a collaboration with Nordstrom. So that shows me that Nordstrom is really getting it. They're reaching out. They're taking innovative ideas. They're taking new ideas, and they're trying to move along with the times and not stuck in the stone age like a lot of the retailers that it's unfortunately too late for. A lot of them have went bankrupt, and for all of these reasons, I think Nordstrom won't, and I actually think Nordstrom will thrive actually. So let's jump into some of the numbers. So once we go into the numbers, we're looking at the stock. It actually did pretty well today. Is up about 4% to about 15 bucks, but it's still at an extreme discount. As you can see, over the last year, the stock has fell pretty significantly. I mean, it was up about 39, $40 at one point, and now it is down to $15, and it was down even a little bit less than that. So normally, this company does pay a dividend. However, with the pandemic situation, the dividend has been suspended. Prior to that situation, the dividend was at about 5%, which is excellent. It had appeared to be increasing quarter over quarter. Well, not quite quarter over quarter, but a steady increase in the dividend, which was a really good sign. But right now, it's at a huge discount. As you can see, I mean, we were up into the 40s, and now the price is down to $15, coming right off of the low at about $12 and a quarter when it was up at 43, $44 at one point. So this stock has a lot of room to get back up. And in about 18 to 36 months, I can see this stock being back in the $30 to $40 range. I would even say it could top its all-time high and get to $45 because with a lot of other retailers dying, more and more people are going to shift to not only maybe they can't afford to shop at Nordstrom, but they can afford to shop at Nordstrom Rack, which is not very expensive. I mean, you'll see some expensive items in there, but you can go in there and get a pair of shoes for 50, 60 bucks. You get a shirt for 30, 40 bucks. So it's not like insanely expensive. So people that would typically shop at like a JC Penney's, they may have to up their budget just a little bit. But as the economy gets better, as things get better, these people can now shop at like a Nordstrom rack opposed to like a JC Penney's or a Sears. So I can see this company grabbing more and more market share as time goes on, along with the online business growing. Like I say, the two options, the normal, the luxury Nordstrom, and then the more affordable Nordstrom rack. And then just their efforts to innovate with business, with partnering with influencers, and just growing their reach that way. I don't see any reason why this stock can't fully recover over the next 18 to 36 months. And I'd be completely surprised if it didn't. So, as always, I hope you guys found this video informative. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Shoot me a DM on IG, and I'll talk to y'all later. Let's get this cheese.